Hello everyone, this is Yot live from Bandung, Indonesia instead of Cambodia today. So within this week, we're actually focusing on collecting data from a lot of high school students and also teachers as well. Um, the biggest learning point I had this week would be a little bit different because I think it's more like the thing that we didn't predict beforehand. I faced a lot of problem collecting data, especially from younger audience, because the content of the research itself, the item and the tool was a bit more difficult and more challenging than I expected. So one is more like the translation into easy words, then transitions into different data. Actually might differ between the next analysis phase, but I think I do acknowledge the fact that I did learn a lot from conducting this research in general. Second, collecting sample and research is not easy. So in this, if in further learning, it's best to actually try to see it in a more of a time frame wise rather than do it within a time limit. When do you expect to send to people and when do you expect to collect the data should not be decided on the same timeline, especially if you decided to send out from Friday. It doesn't mean that you start sending out on Friday, it's when you start trying to collect the data. And I think that's pretty much all from my side.
Hi, I'm Barumi again from Group 6. So for the past week, we've been working on sending out our survey to high school and university students as well as university graduates. I also sent it out to my high school teachers and asked them if they could forward the survey to their high school students. And so for now, we have yet reached our target responses, which is 150. And so one challenge I find during this survey process is that it's very difficult to get people to fill out your survey. I mean, it's easy to send them your survey, but yeah, some people do it right away, and some people said they are busy, they will do it later, but sometimes they never do it. So what I can do right now is to try to send it out to as many people as I can, and hopefully the majority of them do it.
Hey guys, I'm Nan here again. So last week we sent out our survey to many students to collect data on challenges of education system in Myanmar and Cambodia. So for me, I sent out to my friends, as many people as I know, and I also sent to the students, including graduate students and those students that I know, and I also shared a post on Facebook page. But what I find here is that not many of them are responding. Probably it is because of the language problem. So actually, I was working on translation of the survey, and then maybe we can change language from English to Myanmar, and so that will be easier for Myanmar students to fill out the survey. And I hope that they will respond more after that.